Let's go home. So, naglalakad ang auntie nyo going back home. Anyway. So, mag-isa ko lang dito. But it's safe, guys. It's safe here in UAE, in Abu Dhabi. Lahat dito may camera. So, not unless na may talagang super brave na tao na gagawa ng kalokohan. But anyway, this is Abu Dhabi. And this is safe. Don't worry about it. Huwag ka lang pumunta sa mga iskiskinita pag gabi, ganon. Magiging aware din of everything. So, in public like this, you are safe. Lahat dito may camera, so takot ang mga tao. So, that's it, guys. See you again!